Hey guys, Russell, House of Two Wheels. Today we've got something a little bit different. We've got a bit of a project bike for somebody. Really cool bike though. It's a 2020 Lowrider S, done 76 Ks. Now this bike has had, it's got lots of extras all over it. It's covered in extras actually. It's got adventure bags. These are neat as these things. There's adventure bags. Okay, it's got backrest, it's got Saddlemen Seat. It's got really cool bars with the gauges and everything up top. I think they're 12-inch or 13-inch bars. I think it's K&N filters. My mechanic's looked at it. He seems to think it's probably had a cam job because it's got different lifter lobes and all that stuff in it. Now, the issue with the bike, obviously, as you can see, is the gearbox is out. So so what we've got in the box of stuff, we've seen that the clutch basket is broken, that the clutch sits in, and they've pulled it apart and stopped there. I don't know what's happened, so why they've stopped. Now I have got all the bits. I've got a big box of bits in there which I'll take photos of and I can show you. There looks to be everything in the box, and the gearbox and everything looks fine from the gears and the teeth and everything in there look fine. It just looks to me like it's blowing the clutch basket, but that's what it is. But anyway, if you're looking for a really cheap bike, it'll be a cool project and won't take much to put it back together. I've had my mechanic look at it and we could do it. It's bugger all to do. It's just I haven't got time. So 14.5 grand I want for it. So if that works for you and those numbers, well then give me a call. Russell, House of Two Wheels.